Today I'm going to show you how to resend a Klaviyo campaign to an unopened list. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. So we're going to proceed by going down on the left hand side on klaviyo.com to audience. We're going to look for lists and segments. Now you're going to create a new segment here, and there's a few conditions that you need to add in. So let's go to the top right. Let's say create new, and here we're going to say create segment. And within the segment, we are going to name it unopened. We can name it pretty much anything that we want to, but I'm going to name it unopened, right? You can add in an optional tag if you'd like. And here we're going to add in conditions. Now, the very first condition here you are going to choose is what someone has done. So that's this option over here. And we are going to choose the person has. We're going to look for or type in received email. Okay, so here it is. And here we're going to make sure it says at least once. And we are going to now put the time as overall time. So this essentially means that anybody that's received an email at least once, overall time, and we're going to say add another condition, and we're going to use the and instead of or. And the same condition over here, we're going to say what someone has done or not done. And we are going to choose here the opened email. Here we can say 0 times because they haven't opened any emails, and we can do overall time. And the very last condition, we're going to go again, add condition, say and. Let's select that condition again, what someone has done. And the very last one is clicked email. So let's just dial in here, clicked email. Over here again, you are going to say 0 times and overall time. So this is what it looks like. Okay, you've got these 3 conditions. It's pretty simple. You're going to go up to the top now and say create segment. This should take a few seconds to create. And once you're done, you will find your segment within the audience tab just over here on the left hand side under lists and segments.